this one tells me their unit's not cooling. And I come up to the unit and I'm thinking, yeah, it's probably not cooling, you know. I think we got half the coil showing. So we'll try to get these weeds off of it. Get a filter was completely clogged inside. So that's probably all it is. We'll check it though. What did you think of this guy? This is one of those you gotta see to appreciate. Alright guys, we're over here at Flyby here in Fairhope, and out here on this one here shows the inside here, and I just wanted to get a quick shot of this. My flashlight, I may have to go get it, but I want to go put my test those on my loans. So I'm peeling back the insulation here off the large line, as you can see. And then this is what I found. Check this out, guys. Check this kink out. Check that kink out, guys. Really bad, guys. Look at that. That's probably the best shot right there. The shot of the day. Right there. Look at how thin that is right here. And the line's this wide. Look how thin it is right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right here. How thin it is right there. Look at that. And then our high side line too, look here. Right there. The worst of it's right there. So, man, I don't know. There's no fixing that. There's no bending that back right, I don't think. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to pump all this refrigerant down into this condenser. And we're going to have to cut this off, put a new piece on it, extend it in. We can probably bend this one back right. And it's going to take a whole new piece of pipe here. And then after we get done doing it, alright, we're out here. And they've got reported several units down. Had a big storm out here, so we're in this control room here, and we've got a couple other rooms down there, but just right off the bat, they've got like 7 thermostats here, and instead of hunting down each one, just started looking at one by one, and this one here had a clogged condensate. We got it cleared out. I gotta check it when we go back out there, but this one here, air handler 2, I noticed it's got a if you guys can see. There's no belt. The belt is down. The belt got slung off. The belt doesn't look that bad. It's a 840. Pretty good belt. Okay. So as you guys can see, what's happened. Looks like our bearings are probably okay, but the bolts came out there and a bolt came out there that holds the whole thing in. There's a good shot. You see the movement now because this bracket bolts came out. So let's see if we can find some bolts. Let's see if we can get this thing back together, get this belt back on, get this girl back up going, get these people coming. Yeah, so here we are. This is what we came up with. So I think it's safe to assume probably that this is probably a back to our rivet. And then we probably had a washer. See the imprint of the lock washer on that side. Let's see what we're dealing with here, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that was a tight spot. Yeah, so we're Johnson Control here. I said York, but we are Johnson. So let's go grab some bolts at the store. I don't have any on me that are, we're gonna get some really good grade nuts and bolts, and I'm gonna make sure they're the diameter. That diameter there. New belt. Got our bolts here, lock nuts, washers. Let's get that bolted down and we'll get the belt on. So we got it back on now. Got our tension on our belt pretty good. Tighten.
Well, I know it won't last long. It's all the same.